This is the most awaited program of this entire evening, and is the fashion show. So, first, God created man and woman and kept them in the Garden of Eden. But then, God happened to create clothes. And I'm sure you would all agree with this. And it is to celebrate the beauty of clothes reflected through culture that we have hosted this fashion show. And this fashion show shall comprise of different foreign exchange students who would be attired in Indian traditional wear and shall walk on stage one after the other. I request you all to support them to the fullest because they have really expressed enormous respect for our culture and our traditions. So, I think I'm going to start calling them one after the other. And okay. The first festival which shall be represented by them is Diwali. Of course, a festival celebrated throughout India, north, south, east, west, and mostly in central and north India. That's going to be the focus of the attire. It's also known as Deepavali, and it's one of the festival of lights celebrated. There are festivals of lights in different parts of the world, but this is perhaps the most famous among them, and it's an ancient Hindu festival, as we all know. So, okay, I'm just trying to bore you all a bit. Just trying to bore you. Hold your reins. I'm trying to bore you a bit. Okay, fine. So, let's call the Diwali gang, and this consists of Leon and Julian.
मैं तन्हारा मैं मनहारा मैं जो हारा मैं
Come on, guys. Thank you so much. And coming back to serious things, for at least the knowledge of the international students seated here, it's basically a symbolic ritual which means the dispelling of darkness by light and victory of good over evil. Right? So the next festival represented by Stas and Miriam, and it's Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival widely celebrated across India, but most pompously and most joyously in the state of Maharashtra. So we know that it celebrates and worships the Hindu god Ganesha, the elephant-headed deity, and people pray to Ganesha to remove the obstacles. Okay, so let's move on with the fashion show. Can I invite the models? The next is Navratri, the festival of Gujarat. And the models are Daniel and Maria. May I invite Daniel and Maria to the stage?
जिसको मगाना छुआ दे मुझको गावेली मुझको गावेली मुझको गावेली मुझको गावेली say hello say hello say hello.
Thank you so much, Daniel and Maria. The next festival to be represented is Durga Puja. And we know it's the festival of West Bengal, celebrated throughout India, but mostly in West Bengal. May I invite the models? And it's going to be represented by Chris and Antonia. Thank you so much. Now it'll be Antonia who would be coming up for the Bengali performance. Can we have Antonia, please? And may I also request Chris to accompany. Okay, there is a small confusion. I have just been told by one of the students that it's this festival we are going to have is something which all of us have seen, witnessed in different parts of the country. It's Eid al-Fitr. So may I request the model to come to the stage? And the name of the model is Jessica. Pongal, our own festival, and it's Mike and Meta who are going to perform it. The next is Onam, the festival of Kerala. And the people are Christopher and Jane. Next is Baisakhi, the festival of Punjab, and it's Roslyn and Mark who are going to perform. Next, Punjabi boys. Next, we have Richard and Katya for Baisakhi. Okay, this is the penultimate one. It's Bihu, the festival of Assam. And this festival is based upon dance and music. So this will be performed by Lucas and Helena. And the last one is, of course, Holi. Thank you so much, all of you. You've done a fabulous job. Please give them a big round of applause. I would request Anisha and Richard to come up on stage because they are the ones who planned it out, the entire fashion show. They were responsible for the fashion show, and I think they have done a fabulous job.
छोरा छोरी गए क्लब में जिसको मैं